part of the human body starts shrinking first with age? Option D. Brain. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Option A. Tooth enamel. Which organ detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs? Option B. Liver is correct. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Option C is correct. Which component of blood fights infections? Option D. WBC. On average, what percentage of the human body is water? Option A. 60%. Which human organ can regenerate significant portions of itself? Liver is correct answer. What is the normal pH of human blood? Option B. 7.4. Which organ is known as the master gland? Pituitary gland is correct option. Which blood component helps in clotting? Option A. Platelets. How many chambers are there in the human heart? Option B. 4. Strongest muscle by bite force is the jaw, masseter. What is the largest internal organ? Option D. Liver. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum is correct. Average length of the small intestine in adults? Option B. 6 meter. Which vitamin is synthesized in skin via sunlight? Option C. Vitamin D. Which blood group is the universal donor? Option D. O negative. Which blood group is the universal recipient? Option D is correct. Which organ produces insulin? Option B. Pancreas. Which is the longest bone? Option C. Femur. Which organ stores bile? Option D. Gallbladder is correct. Normal human body temperature, degree C. 37 degrees Celsius is right option. Which gas is essential for respiration? Option B. Oxygen. Color of blood plasma? Option C. Straw yellow. Which organ is primarily affected by jaundice? Option D. Liver. The only jointless bone is the hyoid bone is right option. Which sense organ houses most sensory receptors? Option B. Eye is correct. How many pairs of ribs do humans have? Option C. 12. Which organ is called the seat of memory? Option D. Brain is correct. Normal lifespan of RBCS? 120 days. Which eye part controls amount of light entering? Option B. Iris. Main function of hemoglobin? Option C. Oxygen transport. Which brain part regulates breathing or heartbeat? Option D. Medulla oblongata. Skin, hair, and nails belong to which system? Option A. Integumentary. Approx. How many bones in a newborn? Option B. 300. Which organ detects sound? Option C. Ear. Largest artery in the body? Option D. Aorta. Which fluid lubricates joints? Synovial fluid. Option A. Which organ produces bile? Option B. Liver. Which organ pumps blood? Heart is right option. Which brain region regulates emotions or hunger? Option D. Hypothalamus. Which bone protects the brain? Option A. Skull. Which eye structure focuses light? Option B. Lens. Main function of the kidneys? Option C. Filtering waste. Which vessels carry blood back to the heart? Option D. Veins. Extra glucose is stored as glycogen in the? Option A. Liver. Which mineral is vital for bones or teeth? Option B. Calcium. Primary muscle used for breathing? Option C. Diaphragm. Which organ is called the second brain? Option C. Intestines. Which organ mainly removes carbon dioxide? Option A. Lungs.